lived down by the railroad tracks, down by Shady Lane. He lived out of a gunny sack near the rolling trains. He drifted into town one day. I don't know if he'll stay, but for now this dusty hobo camp is where he spends his days. He says he's traveled far and wide, always moving on. The horizon was his destination, where he had come from. I asked what he had learned in time from all his traveling ways. He looked at me and pointed out. I heard the old man say, "There's a bird on the wire over there. There's a bird on the wire over there. There's a bird on the wire. He couldn't get much higher. There's a bird on the wire over there. He'll be singing in the morning over there. He'll be singing in the morning over there. He'll be singing in the morning a song about the glory. He'll be singing in the morning over there." A man must take a measure of the way he spends his days, if he's living like he ought to do, or if he's gone astray. He'll follow many roads until he finally finds a place, rambling through the countryside on an old highway. But there comes a time when he must rest and stay just for a while, take refuge by the roadside after walking many a mile, and start to think about if he is going the right way, and just listen to the singing of a morning jay. There's a bird on the wire over there. There's a bird on the wire over there. There's a bird on the wire. He couldn't get much higher. There's a bird on the wire over there. He'll be singing in the morning over there. He'll be singing in the morning over there. He'll be singing in the morning a song about the glory. He'll be singing in the morning over there. 'Cause there's a bird